Hello everyone. First off, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul Moran. I am a postdoctoral researcher working as part of the Sustainable and Resilient Structures Research Group in NUIG. Thank you for attending my presentation where I plan on discussing the Turnkey Retrofit project, which aims to develop a one-stop shop platform for retrofitting buildings. The Turnkey Retrofit project is an EU-funded H2020 project involving 9 project partners from Ireland, Spain, France and Belgium. NUI and the Irish Green Building Council are the 2 partners from Ireland involved in the project. The aim of Turnkey Retrofit is to develop a one-stop shop platform through the integration and enrichment of existing services and business models in order to improve the renovation process for homeowners. The one-stop shop service will be accessible through a user-friendly digital platform which aims to transform the complex and fragmented homeowner renovation process into a simple, straightforward and attractive process for a homeowner. So what is a one-stop shop retrofit service? One-stop shop models offer all the services required for retrofitting a home, including an energy audit of the home, the proposal and design of retrofit solutions, coordination and management of supply-side actors to deliver the agreed retrofit design, with all procedures carried out to deliver a quality-assured solution, including commissioning of the building. Moreover, one-stop shop models guide homeowners through the entire retrofit process with a single point of contact aiding them throughout. Compare this to the more traditional retrofit model, which is characterized by a fragmented retrofit value chain in which separate actors complete separate fractions of the retrofit works. Moreover, traditional retrofit models present homeowners with an extremely complex decision-making process in which they must make non-expert decisions, often in the absence of proper information on the optimal retrofit for their home, all while managing and interacting with various supply-side actors in order to deliver a retrofit solution. This is on top of other issues limiting uptake in building retrofits, such as the economic or financial limitations of homeowners, including the high upfront costs and long paybacks associated with retrofitting, and the complexity of applying for available grants. In addition, awareness, knowledge and information barriers as to the benefits of retrofitting and the measures and schemes available are prevalent among Irish homeowners. Moreover, the associated technical difficulties of retrofitting, including the stress and disruption imposed, deter homeowners from retrofit investment. From the supply side, a stakeholder perspective, limitations exist in the traditional models through which retrofits are provided. In Ireland, these limitations are characterised by high fragmented supply chains and skill gaps in the area among construction professionals. In addition, the limited ability for economies of scale to be developed are part of this model. Moving towards one-stop shop models can help address these issues related to traditional retrofit models and other issues limiting retrofit uptake by moving toward a customer-centered service model with a single customer interface and point of contact who takes responsibility and project manages. This bridges the gap between the fragmented supply chain and demand sides and reduces the need for homeowners to manage various building professionals otherwise involved in the retrofit process. So while I've shown why a one-stop shop is effective for both homeowners and supply-side actors, why is retrofitting important from a national context? Ireland has just over 2 million residential housing units. The housing stock is mainly comprised of single-family dwellings, with detached dwellings representing 42% of the building stock. So how is Ireland's building stock performing from a building energy rating point of view? Building energy ratings rate the energy performance of a building on a 15-point scale ranging from A1 to G, with G being the worst rating. Over 900,000 of the 2 million housing units have had a BER evaluation carried out. As can be seen on this graph, the most common BER is a C2. With the BER evaluations only becoming mandatory for new buildings in the 2000s, many of the housing units without a BER evaluation are expected to fall outside the A and B level ratings. The latest building regulations in Ireland require homes undergoing a substantial retrofit to improve their energy performance to a minimum level of 125 kWh per metre square per year, which is equivalent to a B2, or else achieve a cost-optimal energy performance level. Considering that a significant number of homes already fall underneath the B2 energy standard, and the majority of homes without a BER are expected to fall below the B2 standard, a substantial amount of work is required to get the Irish housing stock up to the required energy performance standards. Ireland's Climate Action Plan has set an ambitious target of increasing the average annual retrofit rate of 23,000 houses per annum up to 50,000 houses per annum up to 2030. This means 500,000 homes are expected to be retrofitted by 2030, with the establishment of a one-stop shop model a key measure in achieving this. As part of the Irish one-stop shop platform developed as part of the Turnkey Retrofit project, we plan to develop a one-stop shop for one-stop shop retrofit services in Ireland, as there currently exists a number of one-stop shop services throughout the country. The platform will provide homeowners and customers a choice of certified retrofit professionals to employ on their retrofit journey, while also providing independent advice regarding retrofit measures and finance options available to homeowners. The platform benefits homeowners in getting their renovation ready, while also helping supply-side actors identifying homeowners who are ready to commit to the retrofit journey and help them save on resources which may have been previously used on homeowners who ended up not committing to getting their home renovated. Through various workshops and discussions with stakeholders in the retrofit sector, the customer retrofit journey was established, which allowed us to identify what services our platform was required to offer in order to get homeowners in Ireland renovation ready. The platform will include general information on retrofitting, including frequently asked questions, peer-to-peer reviews, information on grants and financing options, and provide homeowners with an estimate on the cost of the works. If the homeowners wish to proceed further along their journey after this point, they organise a consultation with the retrofit advisor. The retrofit advisor carries out an assessment of the householder's home, virtually and/or through a site visit. The advisor creates a report on their retrofit recommendations, which is also stored as part of a digital logbook of the building. If required by the homeowner, financing options will be available, at which point the householder is renovation ready. Once renovation ready and opting to move ahead with the works, the homeowner can organise a meeting with the coordinator to oversee the works. The platform will allow for the aggregation of households who are renovation ready. This will allow for economies of scale to be developed, thus allowing the retrofit projects to be delivered at a reduced cost. The service is currently in development and will be online at various stages throughout 2021. The general information on retrofitting, financing options available, and benefits of retrofitting will be available on the Solutions for Renovation platform and the Irish platform, which is currently in development. So here are shown a few screenshots of the Solution for Renovation website, which has been developed as part of the Turnkey Retrofit project and will act as a gateway to one-stop shop platforms throughout Europe. The platform will cater for people who may not know anything about the best strategy to retrofit their home, and people who may have specific needs and know what they require, while also making homeowners aware of the non-monetary benefits they can experience from retrofitting their home. One of the tools for people who may not have much knowledge regarding how energy efficient their home is includes the punch diagram. The tool asks the user 10 easy-to-answer questions regarding how they feel within their home, any problems they have, and the thermal fabric, heating and ventilation systems of their home. Each topic provides the user with multiple choice answers, including pictures and descriptions. Here I've shown a sample of what the user sees when answering questions about their roof insulation. Once all the topics have been answered, the users see the level of potential improvements the homeowner could experience if they decide to move forward with the retrofit. Users of the platform can also get an estimate for how much it may cost to retrofit their home. This involves using a tool developed by one of the French partners in the project. The tool, known as HEERO, asks the users 20 questions regarding the energy use and technical characteristics of their home. The user is provided with 3 retrofit package options, varying from an initial or single measure retrofit package to an advanced retrofit package including multiple measures. Alternatively, users can select the retrofit measures they would like to apply to their home and get an estimate. Once fully developed, we believe the service developed as part of the Turnkey Retrofit project will aid both homeowners and supply-side actors in the retrofit sector and help Ireland achieve its ambitious retrofitting targets. Research has also been carried out to evaluate existing Irish one-stop shop services from the perspectives of both the householders and the retrofit professionals involved in those services. In particular, the householder's retrofit journey will be evaluated, including the benefits obtained from the implemented retrofits using a developed evaluation framework and data obtained from interviews, surveys, and dwelling monitoring. It is envisioned that this research will lead to the development of proposals to increase the rate and depth of retrofits carried out in Ireland and help with the achievement of the Climate Action Plan targets. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions regarding the project, please feel free to contact myself or Jamie Goggins, who is the PI on this project.